So, hey everybody, nice to see you. It's me, JJ, Bright Idea Records. I don't know if you know this, but I really like this here skateboard. It's like a whatchamacallit. It's a testament to the fact I've always liked Zot the Avenger Purple. Proves the authenticity of that, and the authenticity of Jeremy Klein's love for video games, much like you might have noticed in that amazingly badass video that was made called The End, a Birdhouse Projects video. This is one of many spectacular skateboard videos that have been produced over the years. And oh, here we go for the third time in the past minute. That's cool, man. No big deal. It's I gotta try to get this work done before the sun goes down, because you see, that's exactly what you got to do here in the desert, you know. Like, it's really hot during the day, during summertime. I know I just saw a COVID mask. I swear to God I did. I'm not tripping, yo. Was it this? Is this what I saw? I thought it was no. Well, I really should wear a mask, though. I'm gonna be spraying adhesives and crap. I don't need adhesives in my lungs. Seriously, yo, that's nasty. And so, yeah, you gotta hurry, you know, when the sun is as hot as it is here in the fucking desert, you know. It is what it is, right? What am I gonna try to do? I'm just gonna try to treat the wood a little bit because it's falling apart. My intentions are to use this high-grade putty on all the edges that are starting to chip, and then I will paint them a nice golden wood color, you know, or whatever. But right now, I gotta try to treat the rest of the deck. I can't just treat the edges, the borders, like as if that's, you know, oh, I'm gonna pat myself on the freaking back, you know? I don't think so. What the hell? Something's leaking. You notice that? One of these containers is leaking. Oh well, we'll figure that out. All right, what am I gonna do first? That's a good question. I think I'm gonna use this here Restore a Finish. I know this isn't a table, but it's good for wood, right? Dark walnut, whatever, man. It's a skateboard, okay? I just hope it doesn't fuck up the paint too much, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna use, this is kind of like Armor All, you know, like for vinyl, but instead of like vinyl, yeah, this is a skateboard. So this is like, instead of like, yeah, this is like, oh God, I'm making a mess. All right. Oh well. I know I'm gonna get in trouble. I know. I'll try to figure out maybe some paint thinner later. I really don't know. I'm just glad I didn't get it on my clothes, really. I'm gonna try treating the tail first, see how badly it stains. Oh, this is great. This is exactly what it needs, really. Gonna make it look kind of like it's fresh off the shelf, I suppose. You know what I mean? I mean, in terms of like the wood coloring, I don't know. Smells pretty good. Maybe I shouldn't be wearing a mask after all. Probably get high off this shit. I don't need to get high right now. Not right this second. In case you're wondering, this is the spongy part of the sponge, not the Brillo-y, scratchy part. Okay. Alright, I think that'll do it. Ooh, wow. Smells good. All right. I said it was good, okay? It's good. It's good, right? Get that nice dark tone. See the dark tone I'm talking about? Like, see where the rails are? It used to be like green, but over the years it's kind of faded, so like, you know, might as well make it look nice and woody or whatever. Shut up, Beavis. Next, I'm going to use some of this washable clear glue. I'm not really trying to make anything too permanent with this. In fact, I'm really just trying to fill in the cracks. And I'm hoping that by using something a little bit non-permanent, it'll fill in the cracks and like seal them and, you know, wear away later, you know, because I don't really need glue on this thing, you know. But it is starting to like kind of split and splinter all over the fucking place. Man, it's freaking me out. I'm afraid it's gonna die. I don't want that. I really don't need that. Yeah. This is really gonna strengthen these freaking splintery freaking cracks we got going on here. Really gonna fill them in. Good. Good material to use on this, right? I don't know. Do I look like I've done this before? Not really. Ooh, I can see it filling in already as it dries. Nice. Here, let's get a little bit more in this crack right here. You know, the splinters, they tend to happen a lot by the trucks. You know what I'm talking about. Like where the trucks bolt onto the board, where they attach. I suppose a nice side effect of this gluing process is any stickers that I've put on here should really stick on, because after 20 years they kind of start to lose their stickiness, you know. 20, 25, shit, more like 30 years, yeah. You know, back when I was a kid, if you could keep a skateboard more than a month, you were basically a poser. Know what I mean? You know what I mean. I suppose it's a good thing to own more than one deck if you actually are like fond of a particular deck that you like to ride, but at the same time don't aim to destroy, right? It's almost like a guitar in a lot of ways if you think about it, except like guitars, they don't take street wear that much. Gig wear, certainly. I mean, Kurt Cobain could be pretty rough on a guitar, I suppose. Shit, man. That guy. It's like a skateboard would probably look at one of his Stratocasters and say, ooh, I'm glad I'm not that chunk of wood, right? Okay, that's pretty good, I think. I think I've really honed in on all these little cracks that are happening. Hopefully, this is a good preventative measure. I don't think it's really gonna harm anything. Maybe it's not the strongest or bestest glue to use, but you know, we'll see. I plan on using, I brought out the wood glue just in case I saw anything that needed, you know, anything that was falling apart that really needed that. You know, when I was skating the other day on Twitter, making that video, that was the part that fell apart. When I freaked out on the video and I was like, oh, I gotta fix my skateboard on the Twitter live stream. Oh shit, what the fuck is this all about? There's no way to get this spray adhesive out. I guess my camera cut out again. It's all right. I've got the deck drying in the sun, you know. It should have a nice like layer of crap that should wear away soon enough, and it should be strong enough. Anyways, ooh, look at all that. There's a bunch right in there. I should probably get the sponge and spread that out a little better, huh? Yeah, I think I should. Here we go. Oh no, not this sponge. This sponge is a little too old and dry. Crap. You know what? Alright, it is what it is, man. I'm trying to make it last. You can still tell it's Mario. Fucking A. Whew. God, how am I ever gonna clean that up? Oh, jeez. I'm gonna be getting yelled at. I know it. I put some rust away on the bike and used a toothbrush here. Yeah, I think I need to get one of those spinning freaking wheels, you know, that go on like a Dremel, like a wire brush. All right, I'll talk to you later.